Hey gardeners, Alan here. I'm just headed over to a local brewery here in Albuquerque, Cumbre Brewing, to go pick up some spent hops. They had somebody that posted in the Facebook Marketplace a few days ago about free spent hops, and so I'm gonna go pick it up and throw it into my compost bins. Well, my compost pile, and it's free, so I mean I can't really complain there. So yeah, let's go check it out. Shout out to Cumbre Brewing. You guys make some delicious beer. Thank you. Okay, so we just went and picked up about 5 18 to 20 gallon bins worth of spent hops from La Cumbre Brewing, and that was free. You know, just there's no reason that you gotta spend for compost material, especially when you know it's stuff can be expensive. So why waste money? You're trying to grow your own food, cut costs where you can. Call breweries, ask them, what do you guys do with your spent hops, and they'll probably give them to you. This was just, I found this on the Facebook Marketplace, but that just reminded me that, oh yeah, I'm in Albuquerque, there's like a million breweries here. So now I'm on my way home with the spent hops, and my SUV cabin smells like an IPA. I just hope I don't get pulled over on the way. I'm gonna drive safe, I'm not drunk, it may smell like I am, but I'm just making compost, I swear. All right, let's go throw that in the bins. Alright, so we got the hops. I'm going to take over to the pile, add to it. First I want to show you guys what I have going on in the pile. A lot of pine needles, a little bit of fresh stuff up top. Down here there's a lot of little bugs moving around. I don't know if you see that. There you go. Bunch of bugs. Things are eating. So, all these hops, most of them anyways, are going to go in here mixed around. So, let's show you guys how my compost pile is active. I saw it steaming the other morning. I don't think it'll still show that right now because it's about 85 outside. A little too warm, but yeah. Okay, so I just opened up my pile, and there actually is steam coming off of it. I guess it is hot enough. Let me try getting this fresh layer down here where it came from. All down there. It's already all nice and brown. So it's working. Now let's go ahead and mix in the hops. Now we just cover it up. And now I want to show you guys something I don't have a lot of experience with, which is outdoor hydroponics. So right here we've got just a 5-gallon bucket. Trader Joe's bag around it for the heat absorption factor because it's all black. I don't want the water to get too hot. But we've got a cucumber right there, cucumber seed and a little spinach, and these were planted yesterday. Only a day in the system, and it looks like they're not doing too bad. They're not hating it. Got some little roots happening there. No pumps, no nothing, and this is the Kratky method. There's a little scum up top, and that just kind of comes with it. That's okay, this is just an experiment. because we live in the desert, and frankly spraying water on all this stuff multiple times a day is kind of wasteful. This is just a 5-gallon bucket. I'm sure it'll be a lot more efficient in water usage. So we'll check back with that. And then, oh my god, I made another bed. I made another raised bed. Because I have a problem. I like building these things. So we've got another tomato plant, San Marzano, indeterminate, as well as an early girl right here. Little thing, another cucumber coming up. Now, what are these? Yeah, I think these are cucumbers again. I'm going cucumber crazy, people. Yeah, that's a cucumber, okay. Another cucumber. And we've got some, see, I decided I wanted to grow this next one because I've been watching this channel, Self-Sufficient Me, on YouTube. It's Mark from Self-Sufficient Me.
G'day, I'm Mark from Self-Sufficient Me.
And he had some tips about growing okra, or as he calls them, okra. So, we're gonna try out some okra. Another rockwool cube with some stuff in here. And then we had some russet potatoes that were starting to go bad and sprout, so I planted one there, I think one there, and one here. Never mind these little paw prints. One of our dogs was being a little intrusive. And hop over here. So this sad looking plant was actually from that original bin. This is one of the squash plants that was, there was like 5 seedlings and they were starting to, you know, compete for light, so might have been a little late. I went in, separated this one and that one over there and put it in that pot, and so it's, you know, it's looking a little damaged, but it's still alive and it'll bounce back. I'm not really worried about that. And then, you know, everything else is coming along. Our peas are looking for something to climb on. I keep trying to train them onto here, but they're not taking it, and that's okay, they'll get there. Another squash separated from the ones over there. Our radishes are doing great. Everything's just kind of coming along. Some things are getting eaten, but that's okay. And actually, we're coming out of a few days of rain. This is a couple days past, but we had like 3 or 4 days of solid rain, and so I've got a lot more fungus gnats happening. If you guys have any tips, I'd be happy to listen to those on how to get rid of the fungus gnats. At least minimize them while I wait for the praying mantis eggs in my front yard to hatch. Those were laid last year in the fall, and just hoping they work. That's kind of all I have for you guys right now. Obviously I'm missing some stuff, but that's okay. There will be another video next week, and I'm sure I'll have some other big development back here because I can't just let things happen on their own and let things be. So thanks for watching my videos. Be sure to like, subscribe for more, hit the bell, get the notifications, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you.